It's a 99 Silverado Z71. Nothing special to it. It's just a little tune. Nothing much. Just dumped right there. Give you the exhaust out. See that, right? Homemade. Straight pipe exhaust. Cherry Bomb. So it's got a 5.3 in it. I did a little bit of head work to it. I ported the heads, made it a little bit bigger. Made my own little custom intake. There is a K&N filter in there, but this is my own little PVC intake. I know y'all gonna hate on that motherfucker, but I don't give a fuck. So yeah, it's got a tune in it, a little street tune. It's a 5.3, like I said, ported heads and straight pipe. Redid all the work myself, you know, on the cheap. Missing a couple exhaust bolts, but that don't bother it. Sounds pretty good. So yeah, I've been having this truck for a little bit, probably a little over 3 years or so. And I mean, the whole time that I've had it, I mean, I bought it off my brother-in-law. He got it to me for about 500 bucks. So, you know, that was a steal. The thing was knocking on its way in. Trust me, that thing had no oil. Sorry about this, man. That thing had no oil, knocking and on its last leg. So, you know, I took it in for what it was, and you know, it's been good ever since. Been working on it, rebuilt the engine. Didn't put too much new, just, you know, head gaskets, valve covers, freaking. And oh yeah, and I did get lifters and I did get springs for it. So it's got new springs and new lifters in it. I need to get those exhaust bolts that are broken in it. Oh shit. Out, but I mean, at least it's going, because it's got a little bit of a leak. So I had it tuned for about a year now, and at first, you know, I didn't think too much of it. I was like, okay, so it's good. But I mean, over it, it's been working in, bringing itself in, and it's been doing good, to be honest. I mean, the gas mileage ain't too bad. It's on 93 octane. So like I said, straight pipe with some Cherry Bomb. That all in all it does. Alright. 99. It is a 5.3. Always screaming everywhere we go. It's louder than it sounds. And it'll get it too. So let's talk about the gas. Like I said, it's tuned to 93. So I mean, it's not very efficient, let's say, but it's fun. You know, it makes loud roaring noises when I want it to, and it gets me down the road. I do have other vehicles, you know, it's not the only one. It's just something that a little project I was working on when I got it. Yeah, just, you know, some insight on this truck. It's a 99 Silverado Z71. You already seen it by the video in the beginning. Just ask me some questions, like what would you like to see me do with this thing? You know, give me some comments, you know, follow, subscribe, so I can keep bringing up videos of different content. You know, I like to work on vehicles, I like to tinker with shit, and you know, it's just a little passion I got on the side. I do weld, you know, so you'll see a lot of that in the videos too, here and there. But yeah, man, let me know. Put a smile on my face every time. How many miles you say? Shit, 10.5 on this truck. Got the bread. You'll see more videos with this little motherfucker right here.
Ducky asshole.
There's the other car that I have. Ain't nothing new, you know. You'll see more. And then for the family car, this the family car, an Odyssey.